If you've got a home to sell that needs a little TLC, but you want to preserve your cash or avoid using credit cards to pay for needed repairs or improvements, we have an excellent program called RealVitalize that will cover a variety of costs up front so you can show your home at its best without emptying your bank account. Best of all, there's no added fees, markups, interest, or even credit checks. Our RealVitalize program is based on a simple concept. Homes sell faster and for a better price when they're show ready. Since an important part of our job is to help you get your home ready for sale, offering a program that can make paying for these costs easier just makes sense. Here's how it works. When you list your home, all you have to do is let me know that you want to participate in the program. The amount the program can cover is based on the value of your home, and there's no minimums. Also, no credit checks. Once you're enrolled, our team will work with you to identify needed repairs or improvements, find contractors, and get the estimates. After you receive the estimates, you determine if you want to move forward with any or all of the work. You're under no obligation to proceed with any of the contractors. Here's some of the repairs we can cover: painting, flooring and carpentry, room renovations, plumbing and electrical repairs or improvements, handyman services, hauling and storage, landscaping and curb appeal, even staging. This is an amazing program full of upsides for anyone who wants to fix it now and pay it later without added interest, markups, or fees. If you want to learn more about how to take advantage of RealVitalize when it comes time to sell, contact us. We're here to help.